Hello everyone, I'm Love and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share my trip experience to Bisle Ghat. Bisle Reserve Forest is spread over 3135 hectares and has some of India's most spectacular rainforest. It is located in Hassan district of Sakleshpur Taluk. From Bangalore to Sakleshpur the distance is 225 km and Sakleshpur to Bisle Ghat road is 43 kilometers. I have no words to pen down about this alluring 30 kilometers to reach Bisle viewpoint from Sakleshpur. Dense reserve forest, greenery, Bisle Ghat river, green fields, blue sky. Mother Nature is always beyond words. The beauty of nature has been extolled in the works of poets and artists. If you get a chance to experience it in person, who won't jump to get into that madness? As I traveled across the reserve forest, I started feeling all I view belongs to me. The singing winds flew softly through the trees, a changing mood with every passing breeze. Nature is truly magical. It keeps changing from season to season. I wonder how one can destroy the beauty in the name of progress. I felt like locking the nature with my two little eyes. Because if we are not ready to change our attitude towards the nature, nothing will be left to experience. The 30-kilometer stretch is almost deserted. Less sign of human race or vehicles across the stretch of 30 kilometers. Couple of places we have come across water cutting through the road. If you are traveling in your own vehicle or with people, check about road condition with nearby village, that is Bisle village. Bisle village is just at the starting of Bisle Reserve Forest. When you travel via Bisle Ghat, it will surely offer you a thrilling experience. The flare passes through the reserve forest surely attract any traveler. Tourists also can visit and enjoy many waterfalls, particularly in the rainy season. There will be too many animals like peacock, deer, monkeys and snakes in the reserve forest. When we reached the entrance of Bisle viewpoint, we saw there is no ticket or any charges for entrance. Also, parking is free, so you have to park your vehicle near the entrance. From entrance to the Bisle viewpoint, you have to walk almost 200 to 300 meters. The Bisle viewpoint, located near the Ghat and situated at a distance of around 5 km from Bisle village, offers you a magnificent view of the three mountain ranges. Yenikallu Betta, which is from Hassan district, Dodda Betta and Pushpagiri from Kodagu district and Kumar Parvata from Dakshin Kannada. From this viewpoint, you can have a clear view of the valleys and the Giri river carving its way through the valley. You can hear the sound of flowing water, but the river will not be visible. The whole landscape makes one hell of a sight for the eyes to relish. We sat there for an hour and enjoyed the view. It was very peaceful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.